Hello, hello angels, my name is Samantha Satan, and as promised, in this video I will be going back into Younique's palette, Addiction number 5, and I will continue this amazing, awesome review and tutorial. In the last video, and you can check that out right there, we talked about this beautiful silver color. I can't read backwards, so Brilliant is the name of it. And we did a gorgeous silver eye that was all about. It was like tinfoil on my eyelids. But today we're going to go into the color Vindictive. And we're going to do a nice, bold, gold, kind of graphic-y eye. Alright, let's get right into it. I sound like such a valley girl. Alright, so I have already done most of my face. I've done brows, and I highlighted the underbrow bone area with a color called... It is called TV White. It is from Krylon. This is what it looks like. And I just slathered this underneath my brow bone area like so. Before actually diving into this beautiful palette, I'm going to go back into some old palettes. I'm going to dip into Elated from palette 1 and then go over this brow bone area. Brow bone. Right, never forget eye primer. And I'm just going to use a finger. I'm going to throw this hair up real quick into a ponytail. And now I want to go in with a transition color. I want a brown, but I'm having difficulty choosing between Arrogant, Brave, Chipper, or Forthright, because there's so many to choose from in all these palettes. I think I'm going to go with Chipper. Now you see how I've already kind of started creating a little bit of a wing here and a crease? Go ahead and do that. I'm going to be a little bit extra and do some blending with a clean brush. From here we're going to go into palette 3. That's what it looks like. And we're going to go into this color Irate. Concentrate the black in the inner corner and the outer corner. I am going to use a nice flat angle brush to get this done. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Now, I'm not certain how big this should be quite yet. Once I get the gold in there, we'll make adjustments. Let's look how dark this color is. You see, you can just do a wing liner with just this alone, just a powder. Alright, let's do our outer corner now. Now, our next step is to finally play with Vindictive, this beautiful gold. What I did was I took the silver that I love so much from Addiction Palette 5, and I just went all up in this inner corner. The next step is to go into the under eye area, and I'm going to clean this little brush off that had the silver, and I'm going to replace it with some gold. Now I'm going to add a little bit of black in the water lines. Now I need both hands, so I'll be right back. Now, eyeliner. I think I want to add just a little bit more warmth to the brown. So I'm going to go into, and I'm hoping it's not a mistake, but I'm going to go into Tickled. I'm just going to go like in here and tap in the pinky color. Great idea. That was a great idea. I don't know why I doubted myself. Now, I definitely want bigger lashes today, so I'm going to go in with 2 mascaras. First, I'm going to start off with the 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. I'm going to put the gel on first and then go with the fibers, and then put the second layer of gel on to seal in the fibers. And now that I'm done with that coat, I'm going to go ahead with the Epic Mascara that we love so much. And there you have it! The eyes are all done. I am very happy with this eye. I just feel like it's so bold that my cheeks need to be more sculpted. So, I'm going to go into some palette. Which palette? We're going to go into Forthright. That's this color over here in palette 1. I'm going to just sculpt these cheeks out just a tiny bit more than they are already. As I got closer to the bottom, I actually started using chipper for a nice little gradient. Now I would like to do a little bit of highlight, but I want to be fancy today. And I'm actually going to go into our palette once more. And I like a little bit of warmth, so I'm going to go into, I think, Sarcastic. I think this was the best decision of my life. I can't wait to go out in the sun and see all these glittery, glimmery glints all over my face. I'm living. I'm living. I'm going to push this just a little bit further and take the gold on a finger, not trying to take too much. And I'm going to hit up the highlight areas. Which are like right here. Oh! Right, now we need a lip to go with this look. Now before I put on a lip, I actually want to use a lip exfoliator. It's by Younique. Apparently it's super duper fancy dancy. I used it once and I really liked it, but I'm gonna try it once again. Now this tastes delicious. So what this is doing, it's like, you know how you use a scrub, like a, what is it called, sea scrub on your body and it takes off all the dead skin? I think that's what this is doing. Honestly, it kind of feels like I'm just eating candy, which I am not mad at. Alright, my next step is to use, I thought this was the Hottie Lip Plumper, but I don't know where that's at, so I'm just going to use this. This is a lip gloss. I would like something a bit more bolder, so I'm going to go in with this color here, which is very pretty. It's called Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome. This is for your eyes, but I want to use it on my lips. Don't tell nobody I'm doing this. This is very reminiscent of the splurge cream I used a couple days ago called Tenacious. Here's that color. So I'm actually just going to dip into here on a finger. I think this will add a bit more sparkle. Now just because I'm crazy, I'm also going to go into this palette once more, into our gold on a finger, and just douse some of this powder right now. This is just, oh. Alright, well, I don't want to be late for work, so let's call this quits for now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this setting spray from Younique. And, just real quick, I'm just going to, and dry. Woo! We're okay, she's okay. She's okay, she's alright. I'm also just going to spritz some rose gold because I feel rose water, because I'm feeling kind of bougie. And then, oh, hair. And there you have it, angels. Look at this look. I think she is just absolutely gorgeous. She is snatched and ready for the gala. Screw the clubs. She ain't going to a club. She's going to the opulent farm fair. Listen, I don't know nothing about rich people. I don't know if they do. I don't know their lives. But she is looking gorgeous today. Sorry, I keep just looking at myself. She's oh yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in any of these products, you can go ahead and visit SamanthaSayton.com. You can like me on the Facebooks, the Instagrams, all that good. But since you're here, go ahead and like and subscribe and do all those fun things. Now, I want you to have a wonderful, glorious, splendiferous day. Bye-bye, angels. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So happy. We's done. We gotta go.